Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia C21 Plus, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover and how to restore your photos and videos from recycle bin. Okay, as you can see, we have jewelry here. I have no photos in my jewelry, so I need to take a photo. For example, I will take any photo from my camera, and here, as you can see in jewelry, now I have two photos. And if I remove any photo from my jewelry, I will have this photo in my bin folder. So as you can see, I have removed my photo from here, and this photo was moved to bin. But after 30 days, this photo will removed temporarily from my device. So I have 30 days to recover this photo or video. If you want to recover this photo or video, so just click and hold on it and click restore, click allow, and great, nothing in the bin. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.